Hi everybody, welcome to Paper Wishes Weekly Webisodes. I'm Lene Gehrig, and today I've got these great engraved stickers to show you. They come in packs and there's 3 different ones. Debbie made some really beautiful cards with these and I can't wait to show you what she did, so come play with us. So for this first card, my friend Debbie made these beautiful border and corners engraved dazzle stickers. Well, she made the card. The stickers are actually from our friends at Take Your Time. These are different than engraved dazzle stickers, which are exclusive to Paper Wishes. Take Your Time is they're friends of ours, and they did these great stickers. So let me show you what these are like here. As I said, these are borders and corners. So we've got silver and gold finishes. These are all little corner pieces, and these are long strip borders. Every one of these pages, these have 12 different ones. 6 silver, 6 gold. Oh, these are cute with all the little butterflies. You can get a better look at these on the product page for the Paper Wishes website. And there'll be links to that too on our webisode page. But look at this card. She started off with her base as a 6x6 card. These are 6x6 cards and envelopes from Hunky Dory Crafts, available at Paper Wishes. And then she made a little window with her card using some circle cutting dies. These are 12 circle and scallop cutting dies. So as you can see, she did her card, decorated her card with her cardstock and her, so this is Lilacs and Bloom cardstock. And then she also used the Lilacs and Bloom paper pack, which I don't know where that is. Anyway, there's a coordinating paper pack to go with this. It's really beautiful. Take my word for it. Oh, here it is. I was looking for the 12x12. Here's the 6x6. It disappeared, you guys. So she used the 6x6. She cut it down to 5 3/4, the paper. So she did her cardstock and her paper on top of that, and then she opened this card and ran it through her die cutting machine. This is 6 inches wide, so it'll fit through any platform, okay? And so she got her little window here, okay? And then she took her cutting dies and she did a little scallop of the circle scallop of the cardstock here. So you had a little backing for the window. And then she took her scallops, 2 scallops, and she did the kind of the window, or this little loop circle for the outside of that. She put foam tape on that. And let me show you which one she used. She used these silver ones here. And they've got these adorable little butterflies on them and everything, and she put those on there. And then she embellished them with jewel dazzle stickers in purple. And we just love this new little tool. This is a jewel picker, okay? It's got 2 little sticky ends on it, a small one and a large one. And we find that the large one, if you just take and kind of rub it on one of the small ones here, they're just the perfect size to just take and lift up these adorable little purple stickers. And maybe we can zoom in on that, Steve. And then you can place them so easily. So those of you who have been using the Jewel Dazzle stickers, this is a game changer. There we go. Excellent. All right. So let's take a look at, of course, putting the border here. And I forgot to mention the hello is from the Script Greeting Dazzle stickers. There's 500 of them in here. And she used these beautiful silver ones. All right, so for the next card, here we go. Debbie used, these are called slim line and rectangular engraved dazzle stickers. I wrote that down and went, what? Yep, slim line and rectangular. That's what I've got. That's interesting. Maybe it's regular. Slim line and regular engraved dazzle stickers. But anyway, they're going to be below our video in our drop-down menu, so you'll be able to find them. Anyway, there's also 12 of these. So let me go through, and this is the one she used on her beautiful card right here. I'm going to take you through each one of these. Maybe we can zoom out a little bit. And got beautiful kind of a rectangle here, and then this beautiful border that's right here. Gold finishes, and then this, oh, look at the ferns, and then the same one in the silver. So you get 2 of each, which is so handy. You don't have to decide your favorite. You got 2 choices. So let me show you what Debbie did on this particular card. She used a rectangle die cutting set here, 12 rectangles and scallops cutting dies to do her little feature right here. And for the paper, she used the Dotted Joe's #1 paper pack, and of course she used the yellow and green on that. And then she backed her this little rectangle piece right here, and she did a little paper piecing on that. So I'm going to show you how that works. I'm going to use the silver one here that she used. Or rather, she used the gold, I'm going to use the silver. So we've got our butterfly right here. And this piece has got, there we go, I think these are little irises right here. And so she backed those first. You just put a little piece of your paper right here. And then we're going to take these little scissors by Crafter's Companion, which you can get at Paper Wishes, are your best friend when you're doing little paper piecing. And what you're going to do is just kind of lift from underneath as you cut. And you're just cutting around that little iris piece there. And what's great is these lift up pretty easily. They really, you know, are repositional until you really pat them down, and then they're just going to stick. But initially, if you just lay them down softly on your paper, we just haven't had any problem with getting those lifted up so we can do our paper piecing on here. All right, so that's how that's going to look. Let me show you up against a card here. So that's how you're going to get your paper piecing for your irises. You do the same thing for the butterfly and the larger iris. And then Debbie took, here we go, we're going to put this. Okay, so then Debbie took the other butterfly that's right on here, took that off. She backed hers on yellow. So I'm just going to back it on this purple, just to give you the idea of what's going on here. And she cut that out. Notice when I cut out, I leave my, here we go, I'm leaving my paper. Sometimes I leave my paper just in one place and I turn my scissors, but I really find it easier if I just turn my scissors and leave my paper. All right, so now that we've got this, we're going to match that up to the one that's here, and we're going to glue just the body part. I've got my glue here. This is Cosmic Shimmer Specialist Acrylic Glue, which we love. We're just going to put a little bit of that right on the edge of that body, and then we're just gluing that part down, okay? Because when that dries, it's going to allow this wing to move. I thought that was really clever. All right, so let's move on to the next one. Make sure I've got everything I need here. Okay, and this next card, oh, so pretty. So for this one, Debbie used, these are Floral Borders engraved stickers. Forgive me if I say dazzle stickers. I'm sure I've said it at least once on this thing because they're not dazzles. They're engraved stickers, but man, that gets confusing sometimes. Okay, so this one, it's got these beautiful roses. This is the one that Debbie used here for her border. Look at all of these. Once again, these come in gold and silver. There's 8 of them in this one. The other 2 have 12. Go. And let me show you a little trick Debbie pointed out that she discovered on this one. Here we go. Normally we say when you're going to be coloring these stickers, when we're dealing with dazzle stickers, the gold finish on the front, we don't want to disrupt that when we use alcohol, permanent alcohol pens. So oddly, we have you turn the sticker over and color it from the back, because then the back doesn't have that silver, that metallic finish on it, and it can't be disrupted by the alcohol. Strangely, Debbie noticed that these particular engraved stickers don't seem to have that same property about them. So she was able to color them on the top. So I'm going to give that a try myself. So here she's got the Tri-Blend marker. This is the dull green blend. And if you're not familiar with the Tri-Blends, they have a light, a medium, and a dark. And we're going to start with the medium color here. And she just took this and she just colored. Oh, we're going to try the dark. Color the stem. Maybe we can zoom in a little bit on this too, Steve. And yeah, you know, she's right. It is not disrupting the gold, which is fantastic news. I love that. And I'm gonna go all the way down here. We've got our leaves. Yep, I'm going right over that gold, and it's no problem at all. All right, so now let's do, this is the dark red. Now what color is this one? Yep, this is the dark red. So we're going to start with the darkest color. And you do want to make sure that, especially with these dark color pens, you're not like getting too much on the actual gold, because you don't want to change the color of the gold part. So I'm just coloring in like I would a coloring page, just trying to stay off the lines. So I took that darkest color, now I'm going to the mid color, and I'm just going to be coloring that in like that. Yeah, these color beautifully. I really like them. I'm just doing a little bit of blending there between the darker and the middle color. And these are going to kind of stay looking wet because of the glossiness of the sticker. And with my lights here, I'm getting a lot of reflection, so I'm hoping I'm not missing a lot of spots here. Let me see. Oh yeah, I missed a lot. Here we go. And I'm going to do that little bud right there. And it's got a cute little ladybug. That is adorable. Do that. Okay. I have to just turn it like this so I can see it without the reflection from the lights. There we go. All right, that covers pretty great. I love that. So you guys, we have got a great money saver on all three of these collections. Okay, so I would encourage you to check that out. If you are watching us on our vlog page at paperwishes.com, you can check out the money saver on the right-hand side of the screen. And if you're interested in which products we use individually, just check out the drop-down menu below our video. You just click on that and you can see all of the products that we used, all the papers, all the card blanks and everything. And if you're watching us on YouTube, look in the description box below the video for links to our Paper Wishes webisode page, where you can see the money saver, you can see full color pictures of all of the cards on our photo gallery, and also the drop down menu where you can look at all the products individually. Thanks for joining me today, and I will see you next time.